Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to Anyana Tansa. This one is the model unit of Tokyo unit. The lot area of this unit is 100 square meter, but you can choose that bigger lot size. We have one car garage. This one is a dress up unit only. We have one bedroom at the ground floor. The kitchen area. One common bathtub at the ground floor. Hi. We have 3 bedroom at the second floor. This one. Common bathtub. The third bedroom and the fourth bedroom. Our Tokyo model is a 100 square meter lot area. You can avail this unit through bank financing. The down payment is payable 18 months to pay. For viewing and tripping, you can call me at 0917-305-5442. I am your real estate agent, Mirna Meligrit.